guys, today I'm going to be making Pollo Al Ajillo, which is also garlic butter chicken, and this is going to have cilantro. This is chicken breast that I sliced into thin slices. This is 2 large chicken breasts. And here I have 6 garlic cloves. Here I have 6 garlic cloves that I'm going to be mashing in my pilon, my mortar. And in the mortar, I am going to be adding a little bit of oil just to make it a little smoother to come out. And here I'm going to be adding the mashed garlic, which is 6 garlic cloves. And we're going to be letting that marinate for about a half an hour to an hour. Tablespoon of salt. And if while you're cooking it's still a little I don't know how to say so in English, it doesn't have enough salt, go ahead and add a little bit salt before it's done. And here I have my cilantro that I already chopped up. And we're going to go ahead and mix that. And once this is all mixed, I'm going to let it marinate for a little bit. I'm going to be adding a little bit of olive oil. Every time I make a video, she is barking. Jeez Louise. So now you're going to let this marinate for a little bit and cover it. Okay, now I'm going to start with putting 4 tablespoons of butter. Okay, don't let it burn. Make sure your heat is on medium-low at first just to let the butter melt. And I recommend using butter with no salt, unsalted butter. And I'm going to add olive oil. You can add the oil of your choice, avocado oil, the oil of your choice. But you know, if you want it to be a little healthier, or if you have those types of oils, you know, just use oil and butter. That's the point. Okay, here we go. Just eye it, okay? Okay. That's cilantro from the spoon. Alright, now I'm gonna raise this a little bit. Medium heat. Now I'm gonna add the chicken. This is going to be so flavorful, and you could pour this buttery oil, garlic buttery cilantro oil, right over your chicken, because there's going to be some of the juices left over. And you can have this with mashed potatoes, with rice, with vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, steamed. I would do it steamed. Some people do it raw. That's your choice. Okay. Look at that. Okay, we're gonna let it cook for a minute or two on both sides. And then we're going to cover it, okay? And let it steam a little bit with its juices. The buttery oil that we have here. It is your choice if you would like to add a little bit of oregano or black pepper, a little bit of cayenne. That's your choice. You can add a little bit of paprika if you like. I am going to add a little bit of cayenne pepper over it. I do like cayenne pepper. I just became a fan of it recently. Not that I didn't like it before, I just never really used to use it before. But I like it now. Make sure all those little pieces are flipped over. And this chicken is so quick to make, I'm telling you. The whole process, like if you didn't want to leave it to marinate, which is okay, this will take me less than a half an hour, okay? Here we go. Okay. Nice little kick in the chicken. Nowadays you need a little healthy spice, okay? A little bit of spicy food is healthy for you. Cover that baby up. Check on it every few minutes. And while you're cooking it, you're gonna want to put it on medium-low heat, okay? Since it's gonna be cooking there for a while. Go ahead, check on it, stir it a little bit, flip it over. Look at that buttery color. Okay guys, the garlicky buttery cilantro chicken is done. And it looks amazing. And it tastes amazing. And these juices you're going to pour right over what you're going to be having with this chicken, okay? Grab a piece here and taste it. Just the right amount of garlic. I love garlic. You know how people go to restaurants and they say more cheese with that salad or pasta, right? When I'm like, more garlic, shred me some more garlic, please. So if you think 6 cloves of garlic was too much, do less next time, do more, your choice, okay? But I am a garlic lover.